The Umkhonto weSizwe Party has confirmed the dismissal of Mzwanele Manyi from his role as Chief Whip in Parliament, marking a significant shake-up in the party's parliamentary leadership. The news, which initially surfaced in internal MK Party WhatsApp groups, was formally confirmed to IOL News by a party spokesperson, Musi Njingila. A message circulated within the party reads, "Please be informed that Honorable Mzwanele Manyi has been relieved of his duties as Chief Whip with immediate effect. We thank him for his service and dedication to the Umkhonto weSizwe Party and wish him the very best in his future endeavors. We are pleased to announce that Honorable Colleen Makhubela has been appointed as new Chief Whip of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. We are confident that she will lead with strength and vision as we continue to advance our collective mission." Manyi, who joined the Umkhonto weSizwe Party in August 2024, followed a high-profile defection from the Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, has had a rocky tenure marked by growing dissatisfaction within the party ranks. According to a senior party official who spoke to IOL News, Manyi's leadership style quickly alienated many of his colleagues. His arrogance finally caused him to fall on his sword. He fails to listen and protect his caucus and wants to shine in the media alone and not give anyone a chance. Tensions came to a head recently when Manyi reportedly clashed with parliamentary leader John Hlophe after allegedly attempting to substitute a speech drafted by Hlophe with one authored by a party founder Jacob Zuma. The incident underscored the growing friction between Manyi and the party's leadership. While Umkhonto weSizwe Party has maintained a public front of unity, insiders suggest that the decision to remove Manyi was driven by a desire to restore cohesion and discipline within its parliamentary caucus. Colleen Makhubela, who now steps into the role, is expected to bring a steadier hand to the party's legislative operations as it seeks to solidify its position in the National Assembly. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.